This is Quamon Fowler coming to you, the Texas tenor. But on today, I'm playing alto, and I'm going to show you a lesson that's very important pertaining to gospel improvisation. And so this is a lesson where I'm going to talk about how to approach playing the chord changes for I Love You, Lord. But really, you can apply this to every gospel tune. So that's what we're doing in this video. All right, so what's going on? This is Quamon Fowler coming to you again, and on today we're going to dive into something a little different. I had a lesson with a saxophone player that was from the gospel style of playing, and so I was just going over some things with him, and I thought it'd be great to share it with you as well. So make sure before I get into the lesson that you check out QuamonFowler.com, and I have a tab there for lessons. If you want to sign up to take one-on-one lessons with me, you can do so there. Or if you want to join the Texas Tenor Academy, where I have tons of videos so you can just go through and just kind of watch those videos and learn from that. That is available. Both links are in the description of this video. But without further ado, let's dive right in. So first and foremost, one of the things just to explain just the perspective from a gospel musician or saxophonist. A lot of times we learn stuff by ear, and we're kind of in the ballpark of like one key per se, whereas there's different modes that actually might happen throughout a song. But most of the time, gospel saxophonists will play kind of generally in one pentatonic sound pertaining to the song. And I was going to just give you some things that you can do to help play over the changes, or be able to outline the changes a lot better and specific to what's going on within the sections of the song. Okay, so first, when you're learning a song, of course, you start out and you learn the melody. Okay, so I played the melody for you. The next thing you want to do is outline the changes. You can start with the roots. So because I've grown up hearing this song, I know the changes, and I'm pretty sure if you've been playing a number of years in church, you've heard the song thousands of times. So if you do not know what the changes are, and you can't name them off, that's okay. We'll start with the ear, then you fill in the theory later. But bass, the bass is what you need to do. Well, B-A-S-E, the bass is to learn the B-A-S-S. So you want to learn the bass notes. So I'm going to show you how you can practice when you are learning a melody like this and trying to play the changes. So first of all, here on the alto, I am playing in the key of C, okay? And so on the keys, it's going to be E flat concert. So the first thing I want to do is play the roots. Now, I'm gonna outline the roots throughout the whole song. All right, so that's pretty much the changes for playing that melody. And so what I'll do from playing the roots or playing the melody the first time and then the second time I play just the roots, now watch what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I played through the changes there, and what I did was play the melody, and I jumped down and played the bass at the same time. And so that's very good. So let me break it down like this. So step one, if you got the melody down, learn the melody first, of course, then learn the bass notes. Step two, learn the bass notes. Okay, from learning the bass notes, then you can dial in the chords after that. Okay, and so when you play the chords, you can arpeggiate them. So now let's go into arpeggiating these chords. All right, so there I did the arpeggios pretty much for all of the changes for I Love You, Lord. Now, the next thing you want to be able to do once you have outlined the changes, of course, you've seen, plenty of other videos on this channel. If you're new to this channel, then go back and watch some of the other videos I have on playing through changes, how to outline changes and different things like that. Or you can go into the Texas Tenor Academy and get a bunch of lessons on approaching changes and stuff. But I wanted to let you know, if you wanting to know how to express yourself with melodic lines through those changes, that's a longer lesson. That's more deep dive on that. But for the most part, I'm just trying to give you some steps on how to approach learning, practicing the changes over a tune like this. And once you have the melody, the bass line, and then the bass notes, and then you're actually able to outline the chord changes as you play the melody like that, the next thing would be to be able to improvise and kind of play in the spaces where the appropriate change is, so you can outline that color, that specific color. So now that I've outlined it, I'm going to go ahead now and just kind of play, and now I know the changes. I'm going to play in certain spots as I feel led to, and outline the changes. All right, so that's it. I played I Love You, Lord today, and I played the melody and I improvised in the spots. Of course, I come from a jazz background, but of course I played in church all my life, so I can merge the two together, go in and out of playing some bebop sounding things and also playing gospel, traditional gospel things, language, you could say. But just having that experience on both sides, and the knowledge and the theory and understanding of approaching changes, when I play a gospel tune, I can color these different modes and chords with a little bit more depth because I understand what the changes are. I can hear it and I know what they are theoretically. So that's very important. So I hope this was a helpful lesson. Again, if you want to dive in deeper with a one-on-one lesson, just reach out to me. I'm open. You can get on my calendar and we can work it out. Or if you just want to kind of learn from watching some more videos of me breaking down a lot of these concepts and techniques, you can go to TexasTenorAcademy.com. And thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and hit the thumbs up, and also leave me a comment. I love to hear your feedback. Let me know if this was helpful for you, and what is another topic that you would like for me to cover here on the channel. All right, peace. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you click that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you can stay up to date when new videos are posted. This is Q, the Texas Tenor. Peace.